People living in the national capital are impacted by worst pollution crisis both in air and water. Currently, I am here at the Kalindi Kunj where I'll show you in the visuals the current condition of river Yamuna where the toxic foam has started forming here, and currently you can see in the visuals wherever you will be looking, you will be seeing a white color toxic foam, and people from the administration and Delhi Jal Board are spraying the chemical into the Yamuna to suppress the foam. But in the visuals you can clearly see the current condition of river Yamuna. We have also seen that politics escalating on this issue. Earlier we have seen that Bharatiya Janata Party used to target the Aam Aadmi Party over this issue, but now the Aam Aadmi Party is targeting the Bharatiya Janata Party over the pollution in the Yamuna. But on the other hand, the AQI situation is also worsening in the national capital. We have seen that AQI has surpassed the poor, very poor and severe category. The AQI is above 350. So clearly both air and water in the national capital are polluted. If I'll show you in the visuals here, you can clearly see in front of me what is the current situation of river Yamuna, where you can see the toxic foam. And this is because of the waste and the municipal waste, industrial waste, which is being released into the river Yamuna, which forms this toxic foam, which clearly shows the current condition of river Yamuna, which is toxic. And on the other hand, I'll also show you, if you look there towards the Noida side here in the Kalindi Kunj, you will clearly see how a thick layer of smoke has engulfed the whole national capital region. And this is not about Delhi, but various other places adjoining Delhi like Noida, Gurugram are also witnessing the same, where thick layer of smoke has engulfed the NCR region, where AQI is worsening. AQI is above very poor category. The AQI is severe. PM 2.5 and PM 10 are also in very severe category, in hazardous category. And on the other hand, even Yamuna has started showing its pollution, and clearly the toxic foam behind me shows the real condition of the national capital, where people are facing both air and water pollution. The big question is, what is the solution of this pollution and what should be done to curb both air and water pollution in Delhi? With cameraman Manish Bidhudi, Anmol Bali, Delhi.